morning, everybody. Today is currently Thursday, October 8th. We are officially 6 days into the road trip. We left on the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. Officially 7 days into the road trip. We are currently in Billings, Montana. We drove last night from Devil's Tower to Billings, Montana here, where we just stayed in a hotel overnight. And today we're going to be driving to Glacier National Park, where we have a really cool Airbnb there. We're just going to do whatever we want tonight. We're going to cook, relax. We're going to get caught up on the videos. I'm going to try to get at least 2 more videos done tonight. And then tomorrow we have the entire day in Glacier National Park. We're going to capture rollers. We're going to hike. We're going to sightsee. We're going to go to Going to the Sun Road, or whatever it's called exactly. I forget. But that's tomorrow. We have about 7 hours or 8 hour drive in between there, probably real time 8 or 9. But this morning, Zach is going over the Legacy, adding a little bit more coolant, just making sure all the fluids and everything is where it's supposed to be. Other Zach is loading the minivan. We have this little guy who must have gotten in here a while ago, and he's just been spinning, centrifuging himself. His guts are probably spattered everywhere, but everything's cool. Just a little dusty. You can see our air filter's also collecting some kills. It's a little bit dirty. Again, only that one little chip from the lip, which we can get fixed pretty easily. Otherwise, the Legacy is really dirty. We are cleaning it as much as we can with other Meguiar's product, but it's gonna get dirty. Our camber wear is wearing a good amount on our Toyo tires proxies, because we do have a good amount of camber. That's not Toyo's fault. That is our fault from how much camber we're currently running. So we're gonna try to flip these when we get to Portland if we can. In the meantime, we've been going to areas that we're not familiar with, that we don't know. And last night I came downstairs to get something from the minivan, and I noticed in the Legacy, the black view camera, the little light was on, letting people know if they walked by or saw that there was a recording and a dash cam in the car. And that's actually one of the most reassuring things that I've felt about, or one of the most reassuring times I felt with the Legacy, if that makes any sense. I felt safe to have the Legacy somewhere I wasn't familiar with, in an area I wasn't familiar with, knowing that the black view camera is in the front and it's the LTE model sending me a signal to my cell phone. So we were able to watch the Legacy last night from the hotel room and make sure nothing was going on. If anything did, we would get notifications. And also as you walk by the car, you see the little white light, and then you notice the dash cam in the window. So it's kind of like, it's probably not advertised as a theft deterrent, but it is, in my head, a nice little theft deterrent as well. And we're also recording all that footage constantly, because we also have the battery in the Legacy, the Blackview battery in the Legacy, that's powering the camera at all times. So we're gonna pack up the cars. We're gonna get on the road to Glacier National Park. I'm gonna work on 2 vlogs on the drive, and hopefully, well, probably 1 on the drive, because I already missed yesterday's. If you guys are watching this, these vlogs are super behind, but we'll get them out. It's a lot of driving, it's a lot of work, so we're just trying to keep up. But I'm super excited to show you guys all the footage we're capturing. Some really, really gorgeous stuff. Yeah, I'm done here. Quick Walmart run this morning from some vitamins. Need some Gorilla Glue, because part of our trunk setup is kind of falling apart. So we're just going to try to glue it back together. It's kind of held together right now with some hot glue, which isn't cutting it. So we're going to grab some Gorilla Glue. I feel like this makes sense. Walmart run, successful. Vitamins, more film, cameras, Gorilla Glue, and okay, now we gotta figure out where we're going. Stopping in Montana, middle of nowhere, grabbing some gas. It's really hard to come by 93 or 85 now, right now in the middle of Montana. There's 87 right here, which isn't good for the Legacy, but it's fine for the van. We're gonna see if they have some octane booster in this old shop right here, and kind of just stay low in the Legacy. We're currently on a 91 tune. Look at that little sight over there. That's so cool. Anyway, we're gonna stay on the 91 tune and just keep it, not beat on it or anything. You're good. You can kill it. It's only 87, so just don't beat on it, or don't go into boost if you don't have to. We're gonna get some octane booster and hope for the best.
We're gonna put octane booster in?
And hope for the best.
Okay. Is this the only gas station available
for a while?
Yeah. I mean, it's just gonna be like this. We use an octane booster to give us 1 number, and then just stay out of boost. And I mean, the tune at 91 is to protect it at full throttle. So
yeah, hopefully with the elevation, it won't really affect it too much.
Yeah.
Literally
it looks fake. It looks like the Hunger Games.
Or it looks like Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Oh, don't say that. Don't say that. causing our halos to turn on that we don't want to turn on. Like 2 of them are turning on, and then 1's turning on over here. It's just a weird wiring issue because there's a bunch of wiring in the car from SEMA Rush. So to keep those halos from turning on when we don't want them on, we're just going to disconnect the fuse or the wire that leads to them, so they'll only turn on when we want them to with the show mode. We just got to pull the fuse first, and it's kind of stuck.
Makes me like not want to build an
So we just got some really cool drone shots at this gas station. Zach got some cool 7200 shots. We haven't really gotten many 7200 shots. Got a really cool drone shot going through those grain silos up there. And now we're gonna keep moving out of Montana, and we're not gonna hit boost because, well, we are currently on 87 gas with a little bit of mix of 91. So, you know, best of both worlds. Those add up to like E85, right? If you mix carry the
200 octane.
Yeah, 200. Quick little spot opportunity. So again, in Montana, we just drove past this really cool, like, old town, and we saw this tractor on the side of the road with this cool garage, right here. We knew we had to take a picture. Quick flick. Seb's gonna grab a picture. Zach's over here grabbing some footy. I'll grab some Super 8 stuff over here. Clayton Mercantile Co. Look how cool this is. Little middle of nowhere town in Montana. Super cool. Stuff like this is what is making this road trip super cool. Seeing little stops like this. Normally we haven't had a lot of time to do this. But today we're not in a super rush. We just need to get to the house today, and then we're gonna do all day tomorrow in Glacier National Park. Wow, this is kind of cool too. Right down there, that little, whatever that used to be. It's cool. Montana.
I was just talking with the individual at the post office over there and asked him what the population here is. The population fluctuates between 50 and 60.
What do you think the fluctuation is?
Having babies and
How many
people
fucks?
dying.
Death.
He does say that people are moving in here, like little by little. Like somebody bought that hotel and they're renovating it to turn into a bed and breakfast right over there.
That'd be cool.
And like open a cafe. There hasn't been a cafe in town for years.
Let's open up one.
There's a bar at the end of the town. He said.
Oh, let's go. Not gonna be able to hear us. There's a bunch of windmills over there. They're causing a lot of wind, and it's windy. We're gonna get some rollers past and maybe some drone shots if the drone can handle this wind. We're gonna do that now. Thanks for causing all this wind.
What's your trip?
Oh, what's up guys, it's Zach, you know, the other Zach, the curb hanger Zach. I just wanted to really let you guys know that this trip, it, holy shnikes, it blows. Get it? Blows expectations.
Rolling through the hills of Montana on our way to Glacier National Park. Gorgeous scenery. Gorgeous co-pilots too. Jesus, look at the Zacks. Look at the Zacks. Here it is. Alright, I gotta get back to work so you guys stop complaining at the vlogs are so far behind. And food. Hey man, welcome to dinner.
Hey.
Where'd you just? Okay.
I'm fetching my coin.
You still got a little bit on your lips from. Sam, I think you're being shown up right now in the Legacy by that car over there. I don't know if you saw it. He's flexing on us just a little bit. Super good. Super good. Way clear. Way clear. Drop it back down to 2 if you can. Well, howdy. Welcome. Oh my God. So much better than the other house. So much better. Dude, it's so much bigger. Ooh. No. Shout out McGuire's, Blackview, and Grease Monkey, not me. Wow.
Oh my god, there's pump beds on pump beds. That's all there is.
Hey, but how'd you get in the closet?
Oh, hey there. Been in the closet this whole time.